Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Verizon with the Xfinity internet and which one is actually better for what. So Verizon got really good speed. So this is something that you have to be aware of, from like 300 to 2000 megabytes per second, comparing to Xfinity got 75 to 1200. Same thing with the Verizon, you are going to have the fiber and 5G, and with the Xfinity you have only cable. So, and you're gonna also have data cap of 1.2 terabytes. So this is important. You are going to have the cap with Xfinity, but with Verizon you're not going to have the cap. So that's something that definitely you need to know. Also with Verizon you're gonna have really good upload speeds, extremely reliable fiber connection, and affordable prices on most fiber plans that you would buy. The one thing is the high price for the gigabit plan, limited fiber availability on the places, so you want to definitely check the address here, like if it's going to actually work out for you or no. And that's it. For the Xfinity on the other hand, you're gonna have good speeds for the price, wide availability, and also cheap internet options. But the cons is that you're gonna have data caps and slow upload speeds. So if you're looking for the fast upload speeds, you want to go with the Verizon. And that's really important. Now, of course, the pricing is like they are changing. They are like, I'm not going to say now like which one is better regards pricing, because like in matter of 2-3 months it can change. But Verizon really just step up the game with the customer service, and what I also heard, and how they treat the business, primarily also for the phones. So that's good. Now, when we're gonna go further to the Xfinity, as I mentioned, they got better availability. So that's also important, and that's pretty much it for both of these. So I just want to share this really quick and effective video about the effectivity of both. My recommendation is that you just want to like check the address, and if you can get the better speed here with the Verizon and you need like upload speed and reliability, I would go with the Verizon. But if you just have options to have cable and don't really need that much upload speed, you can go with the Xfinity. You're not going to make a mistake for that. So thank you very much for watching, and hoping great day, and goodbye.